Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. Good Diet for Healthy Body 2024. Number 1. Lean proteins include chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes to support muscle health and repair. Number 2. Healthy fats incorporate avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon for brain function and heart health. Number 3. Complex carbs opt for whole grains such as quinoa, oats, brown rice, and starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes to provide lasting energy. Number 4. Fiber-rich foods load up on leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and high-fiber fruits like berries to aid digestion. Number 5. Hydration. Stay hydrated with water, herbal teas, or coconut water to support overall bodily functions and maintain energy levels. Number 6. Balanced portions. Focus on portion control to avoid overeating and to maintain a healthy weight.